I'm Mike McIntyre, and here's a clip from today's Sound of Ideas.
Mike Williams himself has indicated he's not against all of the legacy of the post-Quillic era. He supports some of those things. In fact, he helped enact some of them when he was on city council. But I think he brings that alternative perspective that motivates many people to want to have a change, not just a change in the person, but a change in the style and the policy positions in City Hall.
For more great Sound of Ideas conversation, go to ideastream.org/SOI.